Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Unique Designs by Latanya, and today I want to apologize to you for not putting out the videos that I said I was. I've been so busy with this here small business that I have started, and it's just been keeping me so busy. And I know that could be content, but when I get up and I have all these orders, I doesn't think to get that camera, and now I'm going to set the camera up so it'll be ready to roll. All I have to do is push the button and everything and get it going. But today I'm going to show you a video of the table that I have started. It's going to be a part one due to I've been had this table set for almost a month. I have started doing making over the dining room with a different color. Well, it's not really a color, but you can consider it a color, and everything. But I want to show you a small clipping of it, just to let you know that I have not forgot about you guys with the table escape and everything. And I do have small little clips of things that I have been doing here for my small business, as far as bling glasses, bling shirts, tumblers. I'm even doing now patches. I'm making patches, not with an embroidery machine, but just homemade patches and stuff from back like you do back in the day. I have been doing bows, door signs. I've been doing so much. I have been so busy, guys. And I'm not going to say I will. I will promise you guys I will get better with this. It's been a long journey with me for these last couple years, trying to get everything going, trying to get more subscribers, get these views up and everything. I know I need the content. I need to put it out there. I am going to do better. But with that being said, for all my new subscribers, that I am Unique Designs by Latanya once again. And on this channel, you will see lots of things. You will see crafting. You will see home decor. You might even see a funny clipping. You might even see a party on here. You never know. It's just, this is an entertainment. Well, basically, this is a crafting channel. But I do have a small business. If you want to go on Etsy.com to see my channel, it is under Unique Designs by Tanya.etsy.com. That is my shop. For all my subscribers that have been rocking with me from day one, thank you, and thank you for tuning back in with me today. But with that being said, I'm going to turn the video over so you guys can see this here tablescape, and I will probably show little small clippings of things that I have been doing off camera and everything, because I've been busy. But I promise I will show you guys more of the contents and everything that I do behind the scenes. But with that being said, I'm going to turn the video over. guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of this little small clipping of the tablescape that I have started. I actually started making over the dining room. So I did show you of two canvas that I have did in the background. I did myself. I think I have a small clipping of showing you guys how I made that canvas. But if not, I do have two more canvas that I am going to do. I will show you how I did those. It's exactly going to be like those, but they're going to be different color for the living room. So with hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn your notification bell on so when the next time I upload a video, you will be notified. And if these are videos that you enjoy, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Give me a matter of fact, give me a purple heart if these are things that you like to see more of me doing. I know I haven't showed you too much of what I do, like I said, off camera with my small business, but I promise, I will show you, because it might be something you like to do. You might scared to do it and want to jump out on faith because you see me do it. I do mistakes. I'm telling you, when you got a small business, you're going to make mistakes. And with me, I do make mistakes, but I learn from it. I even research and go back and do it over again and do it with perfection. So with that being said, until the next time, guys, thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.